How can the groom going under the bride's dress be incorporated into a modern wedding?
Hello there. In today's video, we will be talking about how to incorporate the groom going under the bride's dress, a tradition known as the Garter Toss, into a modern wedding. This tradition can add a touch of fun and whimsy to your special day, but it's important to do it in a way that respects everyone's comfort levels. Let's dive in.
What is the Garter Toss?
The Garter Toss is a traditional part of weddings where the groom goes under the bride's dress to retrieve the garter and then tosses it into the crowd. Historically, this act was seen as a symbol of good luck. The person who catches the garter is believed to be the next one to get married.
Making it modern and respectful.
While this tradition can be fun, it's important to adapt it to modern sensibilities. The key is to ensure it is done in a manner that respects the comfort and dignity of the bride, as well as the sensibilities of your guests. Consider a playful but respectful approach. Perhaps the groom can pretend to go under the dress, but instead, the bride could already have the garter in her hand to give to him. This provides the surprise and entertainment aspect without any potential awkwardness.
Creating a fun atmosphere.
To further modernize the tradition, consider turning the garter toss into a fun game. Perhaps the garter could be attached to a small prize, or it could initiate a dance-off among the guests. Make it a fun and interactive part of your reception.
Ensuring guest comfort.
Keep in mind that not all guests might feel comfortable participating in such a tradition. It's important to give guests the option to participate without feeling pressured. Make an announcement before the toss, giving those who are not interested the opportunity to step aside. Incorporating the garter toss into your modern wedding can add a fun and traditional element to your special day. Remember, the most important part is that you and your partner are comfortable with the proceedings, and your guests feel included and respected. Ultimately, your wedding day is about celebrating your love in a way that reflects who you are as a couple. We hope this video has provided some helpful tips on modernizing this classic wedding tradition.